last time, Rouella Esguerra.
We always hear the saying, you can never truly appreciate what you have until it's gone. Why do you think we always hear it? Because it's true. When I was a kid, my parents always told me to have good grades in school so I can go abroad and be rich. They said that if I can work abroad, I can buy a big, beautiful house, the fastest car, everything I want. Have good grades, go abroad, that is the goal. As it turns out, they were right. Employment overseas equals a good compensation equals a good life. But what is life? If all of these things will take you away from your family, are they any good at all? As for me, to be able to spend time with my kids, that is a good life. If I can share laughter with them, that is a good life. If we have a place over our heads we can call home, if my kids grow as decent, kind human beings, if I can feel the love from their hearts, that is living the good life. I know what you're going to say. It's better to have an address at a prestigious community. That is true. I will not try to argue. Also true, it's better to have a lot of money for you to go see the world. That is very true. But if these things will take you away from the ones that you love most, do they mean anything at all? I have gone through 3 graduations. My father wasn't around. September 2010, I passed the board exam. Only one thing, my father wasn't around. I married. I had 2 beautiful kids. And in all these major events in my life, my father wasn't there to celebrate with me. He has been living alone since 1996, when he gets hospitalized without his own. In fact, he has just gone a major kidney operation last 2 weeks, and he's still recovering as of this moment. Last night I was with the phone with him. I was asking, what do you need? Of course, he said, I need you to support me. And at that very moment when he told me that he needs us, his family, I just wish that I could be there. I wish that me, my mom, and my siblings are right there, right now, when he needs us the most. He has been taking care of us from far away for such a very long time that I feel it's our turn now to be there and take care of him. My fellow Toastmasters, lost time cannot be brought back. What we can do is make the most of it. Right here, right now. Do this by holding your loved ones close to you. Listen to their stories and what they want to tell. Because you can never truly appreciate what you have until it's gone. Contestant.